Hi, I'm Poh and I'm about to teach you how to make my cheats beef pho with fresh rice noodles, and I'm going to make that in the Crockpot Express Easy Release Oval Multi-Cooker. Now this is a dish that usually takes 3, 4, 5 hours to make, and I'm going to do it in 35 minutes. Can you believe it? To start off with onions, I'm just going to really roughly chop these. Next, I'm just going to give my garlic and ginger a quick bash in the mortar and pestle, and you just really want to split it. Next, we're going to pound all the spices individually. So first, cloves, peppercorns, cinnamon, press brown sear, start stop, and then I'm going to pop some of this fat in there. Now this comes from the brisket, and we're going to render the fat off that to cook the spices off. What you want is about 2 tablespoons of fat to render out, and then we'll remove what remains. And then we're going to throw all these goodies in. So what we're doing now is just toasting off those spices to draw out all their beautiful flavour, and then letting that meld together with those aromatics. And while that's happening, I'm going to cut up my brisket. I'm going to be quite unceremonious about this because this is just going to braise down and then we're going to shred it. That is ready. We can now throw this into the pot with water, then fish sauce and sugar. And then press start stop. Meat poultry, reduce it to 30 minutes, and then add my beef. Lock the lid, make sure the steam release dial is on closed, and then press start stop. It's dinner time. So I'm just going to release the steam. Woo! The most beautifully intense pho, but in 30 minutes. So I'm going to fish this brisket out, shred it, strain the stock and return it to the pot, and I'm now going to add the noodles and also the beef. And lastly, some fresh sliced onion. And then secure the lid for 5 minutes so that those noodles soften. And of course, you can't have a good pho without all the beautiful accompaniments. Fresh bean sprouts, chilies, Thai basil, lemon, some sriracha and some hoisin sauce. So what I love about the crock pot is the fact that it's up to 70% faster cooking times, which means you can walk away, not have to guard the stove, and you have a beautiful meal at the end. Here it is, my cheats beef pho with fresh rice noodles cooked in my Crockpot Express Easy Release Oval Multi-Cooker.